Hey, what's up, fam? And today I'm gonna tell you if 16-8 fasting, which is 16 hours of fasting, 8 hours of what was your eating period, and if it worked for me. Okay? So I am a pretty skinny dude. I am basically, when I was little, I was basically kind of like Jack the Skeleton. I was just all skin and bones. So right now I'm around 6 foot, 155 pounds. And the reason why people do this fasting is because it either helps you lose weight and you get more energy. So those are the two main reasons why people would do this fasting. You would just subject yourself to this. I wouldn't say torturous, but it's kind of you get kind of cranky when you're hungry, right? Anyways, so for the t- for the so anyways, in terms of losing weight for a skinny person, yes, for a skinny person, 155 pounds, I have not lost any weight. And my reasoning for this is because at one point, if you're eating, you're eating meals, you're eating sustenance, okay? You're eating dinner, okay? You're eating a good amount of dinner. Your body just reaches homeostasis. And for some reason, it becomes super optimized, and I have not lost any weight. But of course, if if your calorie intake is like lower than what you're expending, you're gonna lose weight until at a certain level. That's just science, all right. Now for the second part, did I gain more energy throughout the day? Now I did. I feel like I did gain a little bit more energy. Now let me explain this. So when I wake up, instead of having breakfast, I just have this like little hunger. Right, I'm pretty hungry in the morning. It's probably because of my habits. I've just been eating, like an apple or banana before I go out running. So I've just been running out in the morning, just fasting, and I come back and I'm pretty hungry, but I can't eat until 1 p.m., which is my eating period. So here I am, just a little bit hungry, but I did notice that instead of eating, so when I do eat and then I try working, I get this little food coma where you get that little grogginess, little tired, you're satisfied, and you don't kind of want to work. Well, you don't really get that feeling anymore. That's replaced with feeling a little hungry. So I do feel a little bit more focused because instead of feeling, sated and not wanting to work, I'm just okay. Let's work, but I'm a little hungry. That's the switch. The second thing is apparently it's supposed to make you sleep better, but I've been waking up pretty early. I've been waking up, lately to 5 a.m. And every single day I still feel, groggy, cranky, and tired, and just wanting to go back to sleep. But I just push on through. And maybe I am getting more REM sleep. Maybe I haven't adjusted to the waking up at 5 a.m. It's only been like a week now. So I would have I would have to keep doing a bit more to see. But as of right now, I have not felt any like giant changes in my sleep. So there you go. I have not lost much weight. Already being skinny, you do get some focus back. You do get some focus in the mornings, and plus your food tastes a lot better in lunch. I don't think people talk about this, but like because you haven't been eating, you're priming yourself to eat again, and it tastes, it tastes a lot better. Okay. And the third thing was I haven't experienced much change in my sleep, but who the hell knows what's going on in my sleep, alright? That's it for today. I hope you found something useful out of this. Maybe just me ranting. But you know what? Whatever. Have a great day.